Alright, so I'm going to kind of start a new little series here on detailing. I detail a lot of cars, not only mine, but other folks' cars too. And what I'm going to start off with is this black trim. Seems to be on a lot of vehicles. What I do to address that, my different techniques in detailing. We'll get started on that. Alright, well, the first thing to do here is to wash this thing off, and I use the 2-bucket method for all of my washing. So today I'll be washing out here in the driveway. I either do it out here or over in the carport. Yeah, for the majority of my work I use this telescopic brush, and it's got one of these pads. I got several of these pads, and they just velcro on there. Alright, so yeah, that there just gets hooked right on there. I probably used this for 2 years now. It holds up pretty good. Now the other brush that I use is this boar's hair brush. I use that when they're still fairly clean. They're not very dirty. The van is too dirty to use this on. You know, I have a lot of these blowers, and this is the one that I always end up grabbing first. It just seems to do the job. Cheapo. So yeah, for years what I've used is this Ultimate Black, and I can put it on once a year and it lasts all summer long. Alright, another thing I've noticed is this little piece here. It isn't the same as the rest of them. I think it was replaced. It doesn't have this same logo on it, and it definitely doesn't match the color. So the first thing I'm going to do is wipe this all down with denatured alcohol. make sure that it's good and clean, because I don't know what all has been put on there. So we want good clean surface. I got that all taped off, so we'll use a little bit of this product here on a Q-tip and touch that up. Alright, we'll let that dry up good. Right, well, I probably got about 10 minutes between coats. Give this two coats, I think it'll be good. In 15 minutes, and we'll pull the tape off. Alright, well, I think that turned out a lot better. Not a perfect match, but a lot better than it was. So here we have some tree sap, and here we have some canned air. Alright, so now that that tree sap's off, we'll hit her with a little detail teller. Missed her with a little detail, quick detailer, wipe that down. Alright. Alright, so that's about it for today. I'm gonna take her out tomorrow. Tomorrow's the 4th of July, and see what we can find. So, happy Independence Day, everybody. Happy 4th of July.